Hello everyone and welcome to a brand new video. Today I'll be showing you how you can upgrade your original brake hoses of your motorcycle from this to this. I'd like to thank and give a shout out to Fren Tubo for sending everything out. It's been awesome to have been part of the process of creating these racing brake lines. I will leave all their info down in the description. Enjoy the process. Okay, so inside the package from Fren Tubo we have all of the brake lines. I decided to go with a red because the bike is all black and I think it would be really cool to have the fittings in black and the brake cable, sleeved cable in red. It would really stand out on a bike. So inside the package you have a couple documentation, some stickers and screws and washers. To start with, I remove all the fairings, gas tank and the airbox so we have plenty of space to work with. Okay, so here are all of the brake lines from the MT-03, both the rear and front. I already cleaned them all and try to remove as much of the oil from the inside as possible. The main reason for you to upgrade from these stock brake lines to the racing brake lines from Fren Tubo is because of the material they are made. So after hard braking for a while, these lines will expand and you will lose brake performance. While with these, they are steel braided brake lines and they never expand and you just don't lose brake performance even hard braking for a long time. And we're gonna reuse some of the parts from the original hoses. I set it up from front brakes and rear brakes. So the front brakes, it has 4 hoses. So these 2 right here, which connect to the ABS sensor, and then these other 2. This is the handbrake brake hose, and this one is what connects to the front tire. In these hoses, we're just gonna substitute this middle section right here because we can reuse the rest of the metal piping. In this one, we're also going to reuse this metal piping right here. I'm just going to substitute the rubber hose for this sleeved brake line. And then in this part, we're also just going to substitute it. And for the rear, we're not going to reuse anything. We're just going to substitute it with these brand new brake lines. No need for reusing parts. It's just plug and play for these ones. this is how it turned out. Thank you again, Fren Tubo, for partnering up to make this video. I will be making another video showcasing the bike with the brake lines when it's all back together. Thanks for watching.